All right, we just got up here, southern Ontario somewhere. Like, leave the condition here. We got like, I don't know, 2 feet of snow on the ground, 3 feet of snow maybe. You guys ready? First trip of the year?
We're ready.
All these sleds haven't seen snow yet this year, unfortunately. So trail is right there under those lights. You can see how much snow is on top of that bus there. So it should be a good ride. Snow quad out here. Kyle, hit it.
What's up?
First county ride.
Fuck yeah.
She's good.
Check out the trail sack.
Yeah, we got trail sacks. We're good.
Beauty day.
Johnny's trying to get his fucking furnace going.
It's good. What time do you get this going?
Johnny, what happened to the front bumper today?
You're going to see that video probably right after I say this.
Yes, that's what's going to happen.
That's not good. Yeah.
You hit that pretty hard.
That sucked.
Did you break anything?
Yeah.
Oh, down at the bumper.
A lot of cars, a lot of side-by-sides.
Yeah. Bond Nation.
Hey, Kenny.
What are your thoughts of the day?
We're practicing social distancing over here at the
Okay.
COVID 500. Everyone's
It's a big protest for one thing.
forget the government. That's all I have to say. And let's do some racing.
Yeah, let's do it. There it goes. Kyle, you surprised another Polaris broke?
Another one down.
Got a lot of machines lined up, jeez.
You have like that's all. Yeah, he's got it.
Look out. Oh,
He's stuck.
Keep digging! Dig deep, dig deep! It's going, it's going! Boom!
3 of them, that's not bad. I'll give it to him.
You didn't hurt.